artificial intelligence, it's no longer future. Artificial intelligence is now. And as we going to live in this world, we are reaching at times that if you have artificial intelligence, you can still make money and still be self-dependable, and you cannot even complain about financial stress. Progressively, people worldwide are using AI to make money online. Simple tools that you want to discuss right away in this video. It's normally called AI. Yeah, you know, when we say about AI, people thought that now you cannot think that we are now depending on robotic to think for us, but that is not the case. Today I will show you 7 smart ways that you can use AI to make money online this year onward, whichever the time that you watch this video, and right from your phone or rather the laptop that you have. And guess what? Number 5, it will shock you. It's very crazy, and it will enable you to make money online in dollars. And in case you are watching this channel for the first time, kindly please click that subscribe buttons, then allow notification buttons to be on. Whenever you're producing a video like this one, YouTube will automatically giving you a notification. All right guys, let's dive in. Number 1, we have to do content creation with AI. And the good thing is that now YouTube monetize those contents that have been done with AI. And now which platform or rather which AI will be best for you to create video? Most of you know that we have ChatGPT, we have Jasper and Copy AI. This one you can use to create blog post, YouTube script, or even social media content faster than you can ever think. No, business pay for content, and still you can charge as around as Kenyan shilling 300 to 5,000, which depends on how you'll be doing it. Number 2, we have something called AI video editing. So video editing AI, and mostly things that really disturbs people on YouTube, it's normally called thumbnails, and they can still create for you thumbnails and still create for you this video. Now we have platform like Pictory and Runway ML, and you have Canva AI, can edit video or rather generate a thumbnail just a minute. And Kenyans are already offering AI-powered editings on Fiverr and Upwork and making real money. Normally talk on this channel, if you are good in graphics, if you are good in this one, then you can create money online. But someone somewhere may say that, now Favored, I'm not good in video editing, I'm not good in graphics, how am I going to get this money online that you are talking about? Today I'm giving you where you can use it. Use AI to create these posters, use AI to create this thumbnail, and you will be getting paid from own work that you do. We have something that called number 3 is AI voice over. You know, don't have a good microphone, like you need to create a content but you don't have a good mic. Tool like Mour AI, they normally call Mour, it's M-O-U-R, Mour AI, and Eleven Lab. It creates you a professional voice voiceover in just a second, and it's very nice. You can sell your AI voice service on freelancing platform. I talked about it, and still you can even start your own YouTube channel with AI narration. Yeah, you just narrate, then this video will just polish on your voice, and when you post it, it will be clear and your audience will get you clear. Now everything will be okay, and you'll be still monetize that content and you'll be getting money from it. We have something that called AI tutoring or rather the coaching, and you can use AI chat bot and to create online course, note and tutoring material. You know, students in Kenya and abroad are paying for just simplified explanation and study guide and example pre, or rather the AI can make it easy for you. Like those people normally did, those students that are undertaking engineering or the medicine course, realize that you have voluminous book is very huge, that you cannot read this book a day. And even though you have exams, when you go to the book, like those people do medicine, anatomy and physiology is huge. Come to engineering, when you look when you start to look at mechanical, very huge. Like a book that I normally, you may find a book is huge like this one, and you need you to read this book a day and answer the question. So it will be too difficult for you to go through all these pages and still set for examination. So what you can do, we have this AI chatbot. It can simplify this book, and it can just make it simple for you to read it, and it can just make you easy for you to do. You can use now this tutoring for those who need to do tutoring. This is best for you. I have said you can go there and things will be best for you. Okay, number 5, we have something that's called AI graphic design. And graphic design is something that really disturbs most of us. We need to do these things, but we cannot create a good graphics. You know, can't draw, no problem. We have something that's called Midjourney, DALL-E, and or rather something that's called Leonardo AI can generate a high quality logos. Those people are in need. They say, okay, I need to create a logo for my business. Why can't you go and buy a logo for you to create for your business? And you know that we have now AI that can help you to generate a best logo for your business. Yeah, you can, in this logo, when you generate them, you can still sell this logo on feel free, and or rather you can directly to the Kenyan business, or rather the country that you might have been situated. You can go generate these logos for the businesses. People also need their own personal logos, and these things can really normally call AI social media automation. So AI writes caption, so it generates a hashtag, or rather even schedule a post. So brands are hiring young people to manage their social media, and the AI, it make you very possible how to handle this social media management. You can still go there, it will give you a caption, and it will do things that you have been done manually, and still you say I cannot do social media management. How? You can't do it. And imagine just paying you 20,000 Kenyan shilling, or rather to 100 monthly, just managing a business account, or rather just managing YouTube account of someone. This will pay you nice, and you have to start it. We have something that's called affiliate marketing. Here it's just a kicker. We have to use AI to create a blog, TikTok, or even YouTube video, then promote on affiliate marketing product. Like we have already talked about it. I told you it's called Jumia affiliate marketing. We have a Safaricom affiliate program, or rather even Amazon. Then every sales give you a commission, and AI doesn't have even, you can just take 70% of the work to be done by AI. What you'll be doing there, you're just directing it. I need to create a video. This video, I need it to be like this one. You just direct it, then it produces exactly the video that you need. You all know that, like the country that I am in, Kenya, young people were being abducted because they use this AI to generate the image of leaders. Why can't you waste all that time to generate an image of leaders just to be in a casket? What you need to do, use this AI. It will help you to create money. Go create your portfolio on Feel Free, or rather Upwork. We have the graphics, sell your skill, whatever you do there, and you'll be good to go. You have a skill, you have YouTube. You can open a channel, then you create these AI videos, and they are just booming, and you'll be getting little, or rather you'll be getting paid from that. So let's use this AI to make us rich. Like young people don't have a job to be employed, but you have to be spent on this social media. And how will you get paid on social media? You may find, to be get paid on YouTube, it takes time, but you have just to be patient. But at long run, everything will be okay. Those are the 7 ways you can use AI to make your video right from today. And AI isn't just here to replace you, it is here to make you rich. You know, some people say that there are time I was trying to talk to someone and he say, you know, we are now turning to be robotic, you are not thinking, we rely on AI in everything. But I came and I came and sit down with her and tried to explain that AI is good. Actually, even though it's trying to, it's more of simplification. When I go to search these things on Google, they will give me different version, other Chrome, whichever the search engine I'm using. But when I use AI, it will surface all these things and it will give me the final feedback. But for the student, I can't encourage you to use AI. Use your brains, read, read. Ni kusoma. Read all whatever you have in your books, then transfer it and it will be best for you. Alright guys, if you have watched this video until this time, as my name goes, do me a favor. Give this video a thumbs up, like it, subscribe if you have not subscribed, share to a friend if you have not shared, and drop a comment in the comment section which AI tool are you using. And I'll be also glad to connect with you as I'll be replying those comments. I'm out. See me in the next video, or you can still watch this video that is just popping your screen. One is just popping there and another one is just there. Watch them. Bye bye.